Welcome to Help Screen. And if you want to unlink Instagram from Facebook, first, of course, open up your Instagram application and you can just simply go ahead and go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, once you are on your profile page, select the three lines on the top right corner. And now you should be able to be redirected to the settings and activity. So just simply go for the account center over here at the top. And now just simply go ahead and scroll down on the account center and you should be able to see down below accounts. So tap on accounts over here. Now over here, you should be able to see your Facebook. So from here, you could just simply tap on remove over here. And from here, it will ask you, are you sure that you want to remove your account? And down below, you should be able to manage how you share your content, or you could just simply change the way you use your connected experience. So select remove account at the top over here. And after that, you should be able to see some information over here that you will lose access to these categories over here. So just simply select continue to proceed with the process. And from here, it will ask you that you will no longer combine your account. So in order for you to finish the job, you would just simply select yes, finish removing in order for you to unlink the Instagram for Facebook. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, guys. If you do, leave a like. And if you have any questions, comment down below and subscribe to help me out. Thanks for watching.